Someone said that I should make a basic CPR video. Now, I don't want to like take the place of like an actual CPR certification class, but I don't know, maybe this video will reach somebody and maybe it'll help you. So if you see somebody like laying on the ground, you see them pass out or something, check if they're responsive, like, hey, Bob, hello, Bob. And then you definitely want to check if they're breathing. Are they breathing? And then open the airway. When we put our chin up, that's a straight access down our trachea into your lungs. So you want to tilt the chin up. And then you want to begin CPR. CPR is going to be hard and fast. If anyone remembers The Office, it's staying alive. So that's the kind of like the beat, the rhythm that you want to do. And you want to go down at least 2 inches. And it feels really deep, but we got to keep the heart circulating. That's what the compressions are in CPR. But as soon as you realize that maybe this person doesn't have a pulse or is not breathing, call 911. You need an expert, you need help, you need 911. Just call 911. If there is an AED, hook them up. As you can see how the pads go. Also, there'll be instructions and pictures on there. And then just turn it on and follow the instructions. It's going to be like a Siri voice telling you exactly what to do. I hope this video helps and gives you a little bit of confidence and maybe saves someone's life one day. I don't know. But take a real CPR class.